So let's have a rapid fire for myths versus fact.
Sure.
Cracking joints causes arthritis.
No, it's a myth. Painless crackling sounds is normal.
Child never get back pain.
Myth. So these days we are seeing a lot of childhood back pain.
Fractures heal faster in children.
Yes, definitely. They heal faster.
Okay. And pain is normal during growth.
It's a myth. Sometimes growing pains are normal. Sometimes they need evaluation.
A child will always outgrow bone problem.
No, it's a myth.
And early diagnosis make treatment easier.
Yes, definitely. So early diagnosis can help you in sometimes avoiding major surgeries.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.